Tip 5. Ensure global coverage and cloud flexibility. An unlimited license agreement isn't very unlimited if fine print boxes you in. One area you must negotiate is the usage coverage, specifically making sure your ULA covers all your entities, locations, and deployment scenarios. Oracle contracts often restrict use of software to the legal entities listed in the agreement. So if your company has multiple subsidiaries or a global presence, be sure to explicitly include all those entities in the ULA. Don't assume a ULA automatically applies worldwide across your corporate family. Get it in writing. If you acquire a new company or start a new subsidiary during the term, clarify how those can be brought under the ULA umbrella to avoid licensing gaps. Cloud and virtualization rights are another critical point. In today's IT environment, you might run Oracle workloads on AWS, Azure, or Oracle's own cloud infrastructure, or use virtualized data centers like VMware. Make sure the ULA allows for these deployments. For instance, confirm that if you deploy Oracle database on AWS or spin up Oracle servers on VMware clusters, it's all counted and permitted under your unlimited use rights. Oracle's standard policies can be strict about cloud usage and virtualization. They have specific rules that could limit what counts, but those policies can be addressed in the contract. Negotiate language that grants you the flexibility to use the software in the cloud or virtual environments without additional licensing headaches. By covering global and cloud use cases, you protect your organization from nasty surprises later on. The goal is to make the ULA truly align with how you operate and plan to operate over the next few years. Don't leave any part of your business out in the cold. Ensure the agreement is as broad as your enterprise.